Wait. Ruth Ann and her dogs Samantha and Ginger Snap.
Oh, Ruth Ann, you have outdone yourself. Very elaborate. Oh,
And it's not, it blows bubbles.
there's a bubble machine.
You can,
Oh my God.
wonderful and wonderful. It's got a hookah.
Oh my God, you guys.
Oh, he's leaving.
Look at that.
It is. It looks like a hookah.
Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster.
Oh my God, how cute.
Thank you. That one's getting
For the love of all things holy. Yep, go
Is
right
that a
to
Shih Tzu? Oh, it's a Shih Tzu. What's the Shih Tzu's name?
Maxwell.
Maxwell, the Shih Tzu. And this dog, this Great Dane, a beautiful, beautiful dog, has little antlers on his head, and he is pulling a sleigh with wheels on it.
She's in a wheelchair.
What's that?
She's in a wheelchair.
Oh, the dog is in a the dog is in a wheelchair. Well, aren't you? Look at you.
The grand prize winner would be
Alice in Wonderland.
Grand prize winner.
Nice job.
Allison, how did you decide to come up with Alice in Wonderland? That is awesome.
I love the movie, and so I made the full float in the costume, and Hana's the perfect little dog, so he just sits up there.
All right, that is awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you.